building and then they visited they had an appointment meeting doon.
Mm.
Magsabay sila sa CR.
Nice.
Lahat sila. Kaya sabi siguro parang, what do you guys are you? Oh, we have a
No.
band, we have a P-pop band.
Ah, that's so cool.
Sinuportahan na niya kagad. Kaya sabi kong swerte mo. Sino ba yung naihi?
Switch is
Lahat daw sila.
on.
Swerte yun naman. Yung bladders niya, dapat pasalamatan niyo. Nag-sync with the bladder of Josh. Kaya, di ba, ang swerte, yung by chance lang.
Correct.
Yan, yan, yan.
Talagang nilalayo mo sa'yo eh.
That's the style.
Babaliin ko muna yung ulo ko.
Nilalayo
Ano?
eh.
Damay-damay.
Walang takas eh. Lahat na lang.
No.
Si ano pala, si G,
Aha.
that one.
Mm.
Mm.
Nagyayam sa European Chamber of Commerce.
Sino?
Di
Ah,
ba may
really?
mga bayad yung mga ganun?
Yeah.
Pwede naman. May event ba ulit?
Ano naman?
Yata.
Cocktails ulit.
Tinatanong niya ako, gusto ko mag-network. Sabi ko, sure, I guess.
Wala, ang dami siya. Nasa ano ako kayo? Studio. Nasa studio ako. Ni DJ Ro.
TJ Pro.
Teka,
Ano,
ba't malayo kay Garrett yung ano? Yung camera.
Para kasya kayo.
Katago nga siya eh.
Hindi ganito yung dati-dati na.
Kaya nga eh.
Para kasya nga kayo.
Tignan mo, walang nakatapat sa
Kayo yung
kanya.
priority, di ba? Support lang ako. Yeah. Hi.
Kaya, sumisilip lang.
Ganun. Ano nga? What's the name of the group? Sync?
sync. SY, tapos dot, NC. Parang in sync, but without the N.
Ano yun mga teenies? Teenagers?
From 20 to 25.
Ah, okay.
And they all live together.
Parang mas binintin.
Pero
Okay.
grabe, ang swerte nila na.
Oh, my good for them.
Very lucky.
Naihil. Brewin mo yun. Naihil.
Makaihi nga rin sa BGC. Baka
Hindi
ma-discover
ka dun sa
ako.
dapat yung magandang building kasi huwag ka dun sa mga lumang building. Mga kasabay mo umihin.
Dapat yung mall sa dulo na High Street.
Somebody said that before na parang if you want to meet like yung mga you have to invest in first class
Yes.
flights, seats. Kasi at makakatabi mo dun
First class
is
everything.
first class din na, di ba? So, and then you're gonna be next to each other for, 6-8 hours? Sometimes
May
more.
meeting
So,
ka na agad, no?
magbabond kayo nun, di ba?
Totoo yan.
How much does it cost? Kasi if it's just an Asian country, tapos you're flying
2
first
hours
class.
lang.
2 hours, pero first class, nasa 900 to 1,200
Hindi ko alam.
dollars eh.
Di ba? So, lalo na international.
Oh.
Pero wag yung yung may humihiga na may sariling room kasi wala ka na,
Wala.
hindi ka na,
May
wala ka na
privacy
makakausap na.
wall yun eh.
Kinatok eh. Excuse me.
Do you have some toothpaste? I ran out.
Hi.
Pero wala
Jane.
naman ako napansin nag-uusap sa ganun. I mean, hindi ako nag-first class, pero napansin nag-uusap.
Kasi yung first class, sa economy tayo. Ay, economy, galit yung mga tao kasi masikip yung, yung upuan.
Nandiyan yung mga mic.
Yeah.
You want to use the other one?
Which one?
No, I think we're good with the
Sure.
usual.
You just have to speak up kasi that one won't pick up the volume if mahina yung boses. Kaya nagpa-request na ako ng ganyan para
Kadami ng mic na.
walang ganyan, hindi kasi wala namang speakers.
Oo nga eh.
Wala
Naisip ko
namang
nga rin eh. Naisip ko nga
Ano yung ginagawa mo?
Or pwede natin ilagay ito
Okay,
dito.
20 seconds.
Ayan, ganyan.
Ano, brain mo.
O, di ba? ba? Parang
Jam
Senado.
88.3, that is Mutiny with Adieu. And it is time now for AOK After Office Kwentuhan from the whole gang of HCM Nexus. And for today, it's going to be HR Journal Series Recruitment Employer versus Applicant. We've got the usual Eric, Lai, and Garrett in the studio. And today's guest is Cassie Castro. So welcome to Jam, and this is AOK. How are you guys
Alright.
doing?
Woohoo! Happy Monday!
Monday!
Monday, oh nga,
Good, good.
Monday to Monday. How do you think is people's Monday? Wala daw traffic kanina.
Ah,
Tama
saan
ba?
sila?
No.
Nasaan sila?
Maaga pa siguro. Maaga pa siguro.
Correct,
Part of
correct.
the metro. Kanina maaga. Oo. Yeah.
Baka iba.
Kanina ano 3
We
a.m.
live beside.
That is very true.
I wish, di ba? Alright, so good evening everyone. So we're back again. We've been in hiatus for last
One
week.
One
Huh?
week.
Yeah, last week because of the
We had to
election.
vote.
Election.
Yeah.
Did you vote?
You guys
Did you guys
vote.
vote?
Yeah.
Busy si Atek. Alright.
No, I did not. I am not a Philippine citizen.
Okay, uya tayo. Kidding. Alright, so for today's episode, we'll be discussing about all about recruitment. So it's all about employers versus applicant. But of course, we need to welcome our guest for today, Miss Cassie.
Hi, I'm
guys.
Cassie.
Hi, Cassie.
Can
Hi,
you
everyone.
introduce
So,
yourself?
I'm Cassie. That's my nickname actually. Pero my true name is Sofia Janelle Castro. And hindi ko alam saan nakuha yung Cassie na yun. Anyway, so, I'm...
You look like a Cassie.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh,
Maybe for
bagay
Castro?
naman.
Pwede,
Most
pwede,
probably,
no?
no?
Pero, anyway, so I'm a graduate student from NU Fairview and currently working here sa HCM Nexus.
Oh, okay, nice. And alright, so let's start. Okay.
No, she just started,
She just started. Yeah.
1 week, ano pa lang, yung tenure niya.
This is baptism of fire.
So welcome.
Pwede pa siya
Yes,
ma-end
pala,
contract next week.
Correct, correct. No, but we'll discuss more about recruitment woes. As an applicant, going through all the process of, applying for a job. I'm sure it's not just HCM Nexus that you applied for, di ba? You sent out a lot of resumes out there. So ano yung what's the pain point as an applicant?
Pain point as an applicant. Siguro the process within the pag nag-a-apply ka. So, syempre ang daming apps na ginagamit natin when it comes to applying. And then pag gano'n, like nag-a-apply ka ng work, may mga times na may mag-reach out and at the same time may mga hindi mag-reach out. Pero both of that situation, ang nangyayari ka sa akin is nag-ghost ko sila due to yung parang, good
Ayan
communication skills.
tayo.
English,
Sir pala
gano'n.
to.
Wait.
Okay.
Let's zero in on that.
Actually, that's it.
So,
Ay, no.
why? So,
Why?
why ghost your interview? What's this? Your recruiters?
Ako ginughost ko sila. It's
Hmm.
because, parang kapag andun na sa point na, magpe-prep ka, first kasi is magpe-prep ka ng mga questions and tapos within that, parang ang mangyayari, parang magiging scripted yung sagot mo. It's
Mhm.
because they highly encourage na dapat English yung pagsasalita mo when it comes to
Alright.
interview na talaga. And then with that kasi parang, ayun yung fear ko as a fresh grad na parang, oh my gosh, English, hindi ko kayang mag-straight ng English for 30 minutes.
Alright.
Is that, are you speaking for majority ng mga
Actually
age
po,
bracket niya?
Yes po.
Totoo
Parang
ba?
sobrang, ayun po yung
I
anxiousness,
mean, not all,
yung frustrations ng mga fresh
Chelsea
grads
should
eh.
be here.
Chelsea!
For training. Hi, Chelsea.
Yeah, with that, for employers naman, is it mandatory?
I think it depends on the industry.
No, regardless of the industry. Because, I mean,
Hindi
based
siya
from my
mandatory.
experience,
No. I think it's industry dependent because I came from the BPO industry and then
Uh-huh.
I transitioned to the hospitality industry, food service, so restaurant, and of course, me having to interview cooks, servers, that kind of profile,
Mhm.
I cannot require them to
Mm.
speak straight English.
But let's
They-
say you're looking for not a blue collar job. Let's say an office desk job.
Ano?
Is it necessary?
Depende
It,
pa rin sa
it also
industry.
depends on the industry. Most traditional Filipino companies, they're not that strict. But I think multinationals, of course, that's a requirement.
Well, for one, if there's a chance na they would interact with people from not in the Philippines, it's
It would be a requirement,
helpful.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, but as an employer, this for a time you guys are the hiring managers for these companies, no? How do you gauge that?
Which one?
Like someone's going to apply for this type of position. And then may slip up na Taglish. Is it a strike? How do you
Minus points ba?
No, not necessarily, but
No.
sometimes you have to ask them to, if depending on the industry again, you have to ask them to speak in English if it's needed. Encourage them, but it's also the responsibility of the recruiter or the interviewer to make sure that the candidate is comfortable, is made comfortable, is made to feel safe to speak a second language.
Mm-mm.
Well, actually, that's a good question. That's a good insight. Pero as a Gen Z like me.
Ito ba na tayo we can invite listeners if they have a question.
Yeah.
If you have a
Yes.
question, guys, you can call
Ay,
the
may mic na
hotline
ngayon.
Awesome.
Ito yung tapat.
0917
Yay.
142-8573. Once again, 0917-142-8573. It's on Viber and also on WhatsApp. So,
Yeah, if
Free
you have
call.
any questions or your insights, right?
May another question ako actually.
Mm.
Bakit ganun? Like, as a fresh grad ulit ha,
Mm.
parang bakit mas merong edge yung may experience na rather than us na mga walang experience sa work.
Mm. I think for context, there are roles that's really suited for freshers, and then there are roles that's requiring those with experience. Kasi you need to build the foundations first before you're able to move to the next level. And as you know, as you navigate your your corporate
Career.
life, your career, no, you'll realize there are certain skill sets that's not commonly found in freshers. Tapos yun nga, you build your skills as you progress.
Yeah, part of it kasi is also the willingness of the company or the hiring manager to train.
It's
So that's why you can see certain jobs that are open to 0 to 2 years experience, which essentially means that the company or the hiring manager is willing to train a zero or a fresh grad.
with that, as
But also
as
so
ano
nice
ka?
to have someone trained
Correct,
already.
correct.
Someone who can hit the ground
Diba?
running. Yeah, of
I mean,
course.
why not? And that's the tendency of most companies anyway.
Have you seen the viral TikTok from I don't know a newspaper company
No, not
with
yet.
regards to
I don't follow those kinds.
Oh my God!
Hindi
No,
ako
that's
Nasa dance pa lang ako sa
Ako
TikTok.
din. No,
Nandun
they
pa
were
lang ako sa
asking
like Chris Brown
what's
eh.
your desired first salary out of
Oh,
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
what? Year after year, this
It
is
changes.
Mhm.
this topic parang resurfaces.
Yeah.
So what's in the newspaper? Issue?
Nothing new. It's still the same naman. How do you marry that as a hiring manager?
Wala kaming choice eh. Parang ayun yung budget, di ba?
No, I think
I
totoo
mean,
naman.
Okay, tapos. Okay, tapos ayaw
Ayaw,
ka.
gawin natin. Di,
No.
ayaw mo, tagdapen.
Per organization, there are usually there's set salary scales,
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
brackets depending on the level of the person. Tapos there's usually additional or premium. Let's say may MBA yan, merong doctorate, so on and so forth, no? But I think what's lacking is a bridge dun sa corporate and academe kasi hindi nasa-set yung proper expectations for the graduates to be market ready, meaning they're well equipped parang dun sa knowledge ano yung what to expect once you go out in the real world, go through interviews, and ano yung salary expectations for, let's say for example sa banking industry ka pumasok, di ba? Usually
magkano?
X amount yan multiplied by 14 or 15 months. Yung mga ganung hindi na siya share. But and then commonly if you work for a call center, normally the pay is much higher than most industries. Yung mga ganun. So you have to do a bit more research then kasi makikita mo rin naman if you go through JobStreet, if you go through Indeed, all the other job boards out there, you can see naman kung ano yung mga ranges usually. Yan. Parang I think it's yung impatience of youth comes into play. Parang hindi gusto ko ganito yung salary ko kaagad.
Kasi some
I'm
others
worth
do
this.
I mean, there are certain companies that pay right off the bat na mataas.
Mm,
But the percentage of kung ilan yung ganung kumpanya, sobrang konti nun. Tsaka, and they only hire about like 5 people a year.
Pero again, you have to be really spectacular to be able to land that job right off the bat.
I know of one company in the Philippines that hires 1 or 2 fresh grads a year na parang 100,000 ata yung sahod.
Uy,
Parang
saan
yun.
yan?
Hindi ko pa sabihin.
Dapat pala nag-apply ako dyan.
Pero ba't di mo agad sinabi during initial?
Pero they only hire 1 or 2 people a year. And
Ah.
these are like the most amazing people in the most amazing schools talaga. So parang ano yung chances makuha mo yung 100,000 na yun? Diba?
Normally top 4 schools. Yeah.
Tapos yung
And
parang
then
pinaka-chicks
academics
pa,
are
no?
considered ayan, parang top 4 schools, academics, extracurricular.
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has to be a
okay.
balance.
Oh my gosh, in terms of that, yung sa education and yung experience,
Mm.
how do we measure that kapag kumukuha tayo ng applicant?
There's no exact measure or wala siyang exact science. It's still dependent on the practice of the company and what they're looking for. Kasi like if I'm just looking for someone na clerical yung role, I don't need someone na sobrang active sa extracurricular
Does
sa
that
school.
vary po ba in terms of the salary na ibibigay natin with them?
Not necessarily.
Mm.
Not necessarily. Usually, parang common practice sa Filipino companies, mas mababa yung salary ranges for or starting salary for sales people for the simple reason that they need to push for commissions.
Mhm.
Yan.
But the good thing is they have variable pay, meaning they can be paid higher pa.
Yes. Yes.
But for hiring managers, what's the pain point? Kasi, 'di ba? For you guys, it's a
Aha.
pain point.
Pagka,
Ghosting.
sa lahat ng applicant o for
Yeah.
new grads?
Regardless,
Yeah.
new grads or ano.
Ayun, kakasabi ni Cassie, one thing is yung hindi so, and we noticed, ako lang I noticed because I've hired for most countries din naman, no?
Mhm.
APAC, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Americas, no? I remember I talked to one of our clients, no, who's gonna hire in most of Asia. Sabi ko sa kanya, actually, if you have experience hiring sa Pilipinas, you'll find it very, very much easier na mag-hire sa ibang bansa. Kasi, yun nga, to Cassie's point earlier, and I don't know why din, pero yung mga Pilipino, for some reason, pag tinawagan mo, hindi talaga yan sagutin yung phone eh.
Yes.
Parang gawain mo yan.
What's
Yes.
more, yung email, they won't read it at all. Baka nga may chance pa na sumagutin yung phone or sumagot ng SMS. Pero email, zero. Almost.
I'll push back ha kasi for hiring managers they like calling, 'di ba? For recruiters they like calling, 'di ba? Without even
Oy, I do
a
SMS,
single text.
Oh,
Syempre.
Oh,
Next
sir,
Best
SMS
practice is
talaga.
to exhaust all
SMS,
Ah,
email,
comms.
call.
email, SMS,
Call,
call.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaya
Oh,
mas mahirap sa
and
Pinas. Sa ibang bansa, email
it
mo lang.
seems like
Okay na yun.
sending messages through Messenger is also an acceptable practice now.
I know, yes.
Yeah.
If you do sourcing in
Bukod sa
social
LinkedIn,
media.
yeah.
Oh, so wait.
Na-stress ako doon actually.
Okay.
Parang, this is my space.
Question. So when candidates are looking for a job right now, do they need to? Because I see it sometimes sa mga sa mga resumes you need to put the. Is it a mandatory or is it like a good to have that your link to your social media is there? Your FB, Instagram, LinkedIn,
Telegram.
Hoy!
Telegram.
Pagka-telegram, hinihingi na ngayon.
Yung iba meron eh.
Grabe naman. Why?
Oo.
Ay ba, anyway.
Is it ano ba?
I think it's a best practice.
It's a good practice, actually.
As a sourcing manager, do you actually look or do your quote unquote background investigation and stalk them through social media?
When I was
I used to.
actively recruiting,
Yeah.
I would normally check out their LinkedIn, Facebook, even Instagram, just to
Ooh.
check. Just to check the content, parang how they're presenting themselves,
Yeah.
so on and so forth.
Oh my God, I got
Ideally,
tired.
you're able to do that, but I know Facebook has that option for you to lock
Lock
your
profile.
profile, which is
Mhm.
kind of dumb. Social media nga, di ba?
Ayun, IG has that. IG din eh. Pag hindi ka
Yeah.
naka-follow back.
TikTok.
And
There.
TikTok.
Ayan.
TikTok, I haven't
din
really
TikTok eh.
explored. Parang it's for my doom scrolling at night.
Okay.
We're gonna go take a quick break,
Alright.
and then we'll be back with more of A-OK.
Okay.
All right.
No, actually,
Hello to
There's
June. Hello
Hey,
to
Shout out.
Hey,
John,
Shawi, shawi.
Shout out.
Esguerra,
Shout
and
out sa recruitment.
Idol JC Santos.
hey JC.
Sana nanonood ka, Joyce.
No,
Joyce,
kasi-
Joyce?
Yeah, i-shout out ko daw
Ano
siya, sir.
yun eh?
Wow!
Joyce.
Sawi daw, Joyce.
For multinational companies, I've experienced this. Just to share, before I was hired kay bago sa atin, they really check
Ayan,
social media, pati mga post ko from 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Even yung ano yung Friendster and MySpace, they were able to obtain
No.
it.
Really?
I know that, so
So,
embarrassing.
buhay pa yung mga testi ko.
I don't know how they got it.
Testi!
Patesti naman.
Oh.
Exactly. So, of course, we have our own private lives, Our social media is our outlet,
Hmm.
'di ba? It's our outlet. Yun na nga lang eh, 'di ba? Outlet. Tapos some companies or some hiring managers actually go through the social media or social media. How will you determine if their social media branding or persona is manageable or not?
Comments. Alam mo, may isa din naman na-hire ganyan dati.
Hmm.
Nakita namin yung mga comments niya to certain posts.
Mm.
Sobrang war. War, sobrang war. Parang ayoko yata nito.
yeah. Parang if you go as far as maybe 5 years, you can probably see if there's character development also.
Right.
Kasi I've encountered some people who would normally rant about work in their socials. I mean, sige, outlet. I don't really mind. But there are also people who would what's this? Parang it's like sila lang magaling. Parang everyone else is doing the wrong thing and then sila lang yung magaling.
Main
Parang I don't really like those type of posts. Parang ang cringe kasi paano yung context nung sa kabila? What if some people in your network knows about that particular conversation or transaction or meeting and then you post about it and parang 'di ba? Question mark.
Mas stress ka na.
Yeah.
DDS pala siya.
Ay, DDS. Sorry.
Wala naman.
Pero diba?
No politics.
But that's a very good practice. I used to do that when I had more time to do that. Kasi makikita mo nga like even how people post, the behavior, what they post, okay siya. Pero that's just if you have time.
Correct.
Pero kasi in the world that we live in today, we always strive for speed kasi. So, halos, well, siguro mabilis ka mag-browse. Pero, ang hirap na niyang gawin.
I have a question. After or even before graduation, are you guys trained on how to, aside from the OJT, go out there, create a resume, how to build a resume, how to conduct yourself during interviews?
Actually, yes. Part of my resume, meron ako dong parang simulation, ata yung
Mhm.
tawag doon, na parang we do yung ginagawa namin for HR, ganyan. Kasi psych yung yung course na kinuha ko. So, parang na-expose kami paano yung parang gumawa ng psych report in terms of the clinical na side namin, ganun. And then, kapag sa side naman ng HR, paano kami mag-recruit, like yung mga questions, actually, pinagawa rin kami nun ng mga benchmarking answers kapag nag-interview kayo ng mga clients. And then, na-expose din kami with that din, na parang kami naman yung ini-interview ng mga profs namin. And then, that was graded. So,
Ganun
Diba?
ba?
parang,
Sobrang
at
backward.
some point,
Pero at least,
inaano kami, parang
Best
binibigyan na
practice na
kami ng future kung ano yung mangyayari. Like, parang, patikim lang, ganun.
Alright. With that,
wait lang, di pa tayo.
oo nga, hindi. Meron pa naman tayo sa live eh.
Oo.
Sige, okay. Mamaya ko na siya. I-reserve. Ayoko
We
na.
need to increase daw yung volume.
Okay.
Ay,
I think
okay.
you need to, just hold the mic na lang.
Go near?
No, just hold the mic.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, you can just pass it na lang.
And then naman
Lapit
sing.
mo sing.
And then sing. Ay,
biglang nailang.
Oo,
Okay lang.
wait.
Lalagay natin, lalagay ko
Hindi
dito
dapat
para-
nakaharap.
Ay.
Ganun.
Yun.
Okay.
Yan.
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 This is better.
I hope. Okay, guys, if you have any questions or if you want to share something about your
Comment
horror
down.
experience when you're applying, or if you're someone from recruitment, feel free to share naman your kasi we've tackled ghosting pa lang from both sides. As a
Pwede ba
candidate,
sabihin ang haba minsan ng resume?
Uy,
actually, yun nga
my
eh.
questions.
Alin?
Yun nga eh.
Ano?
Because, ewan ko
Pahabaan? Booklet?
there are some platforms kasi na you have to list down all your, syempre lalo na pagka, kunyari, age nyo. De, joke lang.
Marami ng
28?
So, maraming experience.
Ano?
Diba?
Okay, ready? Let's
Okay.
Jam 88.3, that is Avenged Sevenfold with Afterlife. Welcome back to AOK with Garrett, Eric, Lai, and guest Cassie.
Alright, so actually, hi, thank you.
Binalik na ulit. Oo nga.
We were talking about regarding resume because some resumes are long. This is coming from a
Curriculum vitae.
Oo.
Sabi na.
So, what's the ideal
Oh.
pages? Let's say from someone who's building up their career na hindi na siya syempre pagka entry level, one page carry na di ba? Pero pagka yung mga meron ng experience.
That's it really depends sa practice ng company. Pero I think best practice would be to have two pages. And then if there's a need, but for you to constantly update a longer version where you have all of the details, that should be readily available if needed.
So with that, this is my next question, and even for
Tsaka huwag nyo
applicants,
nilagay yung huwag nyo nilagay yung birthday. Anything personal information, no?
Like
Kasi that's also...
statistics.
Oo.
Kasi
Ano
ano
yung
na yan
color?
eh.
Ayaw.
No.
Hindi pwede yung motto in live, tsaka who is my crush?
Oh,
slam
Tawag
book.
doon, yung
Pinabutan
parang...
mo yun, slam book.
Ano tawag doon yung may bias? May
Mm.
parang walang bias.
Okay, so the answer there is a cover letter.
What?
Do you
I
guys...
think we have a caller.
Ah.
Let's find out. Hello?
Ooh.
Hi. Hi, you have a question for us?
Yes, so sana,
Okay, sige. What's your name?
Owen.
Owen. Okay,
Owen.
Owen.
Hi,
What's your
Owen.
question?
Well, di ko alam kung question to or ano. Parang, well, kumbaga, for example, sa IT field, di ba? So, bago ko makita ng mga, ng mga hiring, sa hiring ladder, may level 1 yan, level 2, level 3.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Minsan nakaka-frustrate yung level 1, which is kadalasan HR, di ba? So,
Salamat, ah.
No, sorry. Ano yung sunod mo dun? Nakaka-frustrate kasi.
Level 1, for example, level 1 is usually HR.
Mm.
Kung pa lang, semp lang na.
Bakit sumisempla ka sa HR?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam eh. Kasi, kumbaga, hindi ko alam kung na-articulate ko nung tama yung, pero hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan nyo yung sinasabi ko.
So wala ka pa sa skills level ng IT
Oo.
part.
Oo.
Sa-
Hindi naman. Kumbaga, pinapaliwanag ko yung skills ko. Pero kumbaga, doon pa lang, makakatanggap ka na pagka level 1 interview mo after mga 2 minutes. Oh, you didn't pass the interview, totoo ganyan.
They don't give you a reason kung why?
Yung ba? Hindi.
Ganyan na ganyan si Owen.
Figure na.
Tell me the reason why so that I may do.
Oo. Ayaw nila sabihin.
Wala reply.
Ikaw naman yung ginost.
No, it
Grabe yung
happens.
ghosting na yan, ha? Not lang sa hindi lang sa dating. Sa job application.
Job application,
So,
correct.
okay, tanungin natin sila, Owen, ha? Let's ask the guys here at AOK.
Ako
Thank
I have
you
a
for posing that question. Thank you.
Ako
Bye-bye.
I have a counter question. Ano yung role na in-apply
IT.
ni Owen?
IT.
I mean, like what specific role? Kasi there are certain roles in IT that's customer facing.
Alright.
Kunyari, ano ba? Kahit nga IT help desk nakikipag-usap ka niyan sa empleyado
Mhm.
There are certain roles na hindi. Network operations, systems administration.
Hello. Hi, good evening.
Ako yung kanina.
Owen.
Ah,
Oh, so, Owen, ano daw yung anong klaseng IT?
Ano-
Client facing. Hindi siya client facing.
Hindi siya back office talaga.
Anong
Anong
position?
Back office more on, for example, data visualization.
Oh.
Data.
Oo.
Yan, mga ganon.
Okay.
Ano daw?
Data analysis.
More on transformation ng data. Yan.
Okay.
Ang nakaka-frustrate, parang para sa akin they don't understand much what I'm saying. Baga, ito yung mga sources.
Oo lang ng oo, no?
Ah.
So you think the HR people that you've been talking to don't understand the skill?
But they don't have an idea of what he's talking about.
Correct.
Oo.
You're not given a chance para sa technical interview.
So kailangan siguro i-work mo yung charm mo. Kailangan maging mas charming ka, Owen, para, di ba? Ibig sabihin, yung charm mo yung kailangan mo yung ano.
Ah.
No, because I don't know ha. You can correct me ha. I don't have the I'm not a guru
I
at
have
it.
Thank you,
some
Owen.
things.
Pero
then
di ba
for him.
sometimes there are particular recruiters who specialize for that particular role sa IT talaga. It's a specialization like what Owen mentioned. Umpisa pa lang, bakit ako nanano I have the skill set
It is a very valid
Right?
concern.
It is a very valid concern. Agree naman.
Like when I was doing IT recruitment,
Mhm.
I was very novice in conducting technical interviews.
Mhm.
So we reversed the process. At least for that particular company, we reversed the process where I would just paper screen the candidates first, and then funnel it to the hiring manager, and then the last step would be the interview with HR. At least we're already done with the technical skills and
Yeah.
validating the technical skills.
That makes sense na ganun, di ba?
Correct,
Kasi
correct.
even if they have the personality, whatever, pero they don't have the skill, hindi pa rin pwede.
Yeah, and also, di ba, usually for the first step for hiring, hindi kasi Owen, magmukhawain na. For the first step, di ba, usually they gauge on, is this the right fit for
Right.
this particular
Actually, yan yung
culture.
isasagot ko na highly likely na reason.
Hmm.
So, minsan kasi, hindi ko naman pinagtatanggol yung HRON ha. Pero yun nga, like what Eric mentioned, hindi lang naman din it's about technical.
Yeah.
There's also stuff like culture,
Culture.
how you are fit with the team, how you're fit with the company culture, how you answer questions is another thing, no?
How you present yourself.
How you present yourself. Like, and tips to everyone on the call. One of the best tips is you complete your answers, no? There's in our lingo in HR or recruitment, we have to completely answer a question by following a set of steps, no? And that's generally known as STAR, you know, that's the situation, what are the tasks that were involved in your certain, whatever your answer is, and what actions you did and what's the result, no? So, when you answer a question, kumpletuhin nyo. Kasi pagka ang sinagot nyo lang, dumiretso kayo ng action and then the result, usually, alam mo yun, medyo, wag na lang. Or kasi minsan sagot ng tao sa question, oo lang tsaka hindi, or one-liner lang.
Correct.
Kahit ilang probe yung ginagawa ng HR, parang ayoko na lang.
And
Next!
Yeah.
Ganyan,
And
oo.
then to add to that, commonly HR interviews would zero in on your leadership qualities if you take ownership of your projects. Ano pa ba? Communication skills. How are you conveying your thoughts? Kumpleto ba? O laging kulang yung sinasabi mo? Yun yung pinaka-basic. And then of course, what's this? Collaboration.
Yeah, working
how-
with others.
How are you working with others? So if meron ng mga, let's say for example, mag-share ka na ng let's say gripes mo about your previous company, that's a big
Red flag
no-no na.
already.
Question, if you're an applicant and last na to para will itatali natin lahat. Following up regarding your application status.
Ooh, following up.
Yay, nay.
Let's answer that after
Sure.
this quick commercial
Yes.
break. That is
Alright.
going to be answered when we return.
Yeah. And then the next naman is how are we going to marry it,
Mm.
bridge the gap as an applicant and as an employer. I think we need to meet halfway in terms of ghosting because like what Lai mentioned,
Ghosting.
no, kasi 'di ba, even applicants nag-ghost. And at the same time, even employers they do ghost.
Sige ako din ng ghost.
Both.
'Di ba? It's a two ways.
Kaya nga sinasabi ko, pag hindi ka nakatanggap ng call sa akin, wala na yun.
Ako at the onset, I informed them that if you don't hear back from us within 2 weeks, because we're
wala
still
na.
interviewing a couple more, that means you were not shortlisted.
That's the best way to...
Para at least may closure, di ba? Kasi work gets parang work really piles up every now and then, and parang
Correct.
sometimes it's beyond your control, but at least
Tsaka yung
Giving
imagine
that,
you
no?
interview hundreds of people, maalala mo ba ulit yung mga taong na
Pero again, kasi mamaya na, answer pa yung pagkatapos ng break. Okay, sige. Pwede. Papalagpasin ba? Pwede ba? Papayag pa tayo?
Kaya nga may ganun na spiel eh. If you don't receive a call from us in a week or 2 weeks, then it means you already hired someone, ganun.
Cover letter.
cover letter.
Entry level, may experience,
Yes,
and then
yan.
see managers and up.
I think cover letters.
Is it a must?
It really depends on the industry. Parang I think advertising, marketing companies would still require. Pero let's say for example, if hotels, I don't think that they're particular with receiving a cover letter. Yeah, but most industries parang hindi na.
Does it have to be,
Highfalutin.
yeah, exactly. Does it bear any weight?
No, I think cover letters should be straightforward and doesn't use too many highfalutin words. Parang
It's more like how
it
I
has
fit
to
to your
be-
opening na in your company. Ganun lang.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because I'm cool, I'm nice, I work well with people, ganyan.
Yung wala sa
I'm willing to
CV.
dance sa Christmas party.
On your first Christmas party.
And for BPOs, I love pizza.
And Brando coffee.
Yeah. May mga ganun-ganun. Okay. Sige. Okay siya.
Yeah.
Pero ewan ko, ikaw nag-advertising ka, di ba? Did you give a cover letter? No.
No.
Okay.
No. The thing is, kasi sa akin, ang ginawa ko, portfolio ko.
Portfolio.
Mm.
Usually
Oo.
ganun naman yan. Either you have the cover
Oo.
letter or the
Ito yung mga
portfolio.
events ko, ito yung revenue
Right,
ko,
right.
ito yung ganito.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hindi portfolio, graphics and
Ay,
design.
hindi.
You know, my color deficiency.
How come you never sent me that?
Ay, hindi ba? May chat yata. Pero
Sayang.
nothing about design
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Jam 88.3, that is All Too Well from Never Present. And we are back on A-OK with the gang from HCM Nexus. And guest Cassie, talking about employer versus applicant. Ano yung mga pagkakaiba? Ano yung mga pareho?
Correct.
Ghosting pala, pare-pareho.
Ghosting.
Pareho.
Oh,
Ghosting
no.
is now, that's the new disease of people. Na toxic.
So, ano
Communicate
yung question ko? Nakalimutan ko.
You're
Cover
asking about...
letter kanina.
No,
No,
not
before
cover
the
letter.
cover.
Wait.
With regards to the, it's in line with the... With the
Following up.
Yeah,
Following
up.
up.
My take on this, but let me share a short story. I received a call from a friend. He encountered this nagpunta pa sa office to follow up.
Oh, wow.
Ayun. Parang sa akin if you want to follow up, you're really keen on the job or working for that company, parang right towards the end of the interview, magsabi ka na what your questions are, what's the next step sa process, and ask the recruiter if you're allowed to follow up or if it's okay for you to follow up, to do a follow up, and then kung kanino. At least ayun, parang it's not like you're intruding dun sa work hours nila, or masisira kasi yung di ba, yung workflow ng mga tao. At least that's my take.
Yeah, plus the fact that we mentioned na it's a spiel na if you don't receive it in a week or two, it means you already hired someone for the role. And no hard feelings, di ba? Iisa lang opening mo, tapos 100 kayo.
But the good thing about us, since we're a third-party provider, is that we
Right.
can
Reimburse.
reclassify profiles to other, so we would normally maintain relationships with really good
Right.
candidates.
Plus, since we have similar openings din, we can re-endorse we do multiple endorsements.
I agree.
So there's a higher chance of getting hired.
So,
Pare, one application, 5 companies, ganun.
to actually
Hindi naman
bridge
ganun
the
talaga.
gap between
More or less.
between employers and also candidates, what's the best compromise para to wrap it up?
Communicate.
Yan din sabi ko eh, communication.
Clarity. Yeah. So, ayan. Maybe you can share yung point of view ng candidate.
So, siguro, ayun po, parang clarity and yung communication. Like, if you don't see me as someone with a good fit dun sa role na hinahanap, tell it right away. Huwag nang parang aantayin ko pa siya na, hala, makuha ko yung job letter, yung job offer, parang ganun, hala, makakatanggap kaya ng final interview sa mod ganyan. Kasi parang, ang last thing na sinasabi every now and then na may initial interview is, babalikan kita eh. Parang ganun. So,
Maling setting
Mali yun.
expectations.
Oo.
I would normally set expectations, and then what's this? If the candidate is really keen to land a job in that industry, and meron pa siyang kulang na skill sets, or then I tell them what I see missing and what they can do.
Yeah, I think that's one of the benefits if you're working with a really good, headhunter, no? They see you not just as a applicant, it's a partnership na talagang will help you with your career,
Mm.
right? Yeah, like for Fergie, he gives tips kung saan pa kulang. Ito, mag-develop ka muna nito, ganito, ganyan, ganyan.
True. Kasi a lot of things we get from our clients, the info, we can pass on to we can coach actually
Mm.
the candidate.
Coach
Parang,
and
oy, sabi
develop."
nila, ano daw. Kaya, no, we do that. We help them. And it's not a taboo naman. Parang,
Mhm.
it's more like you're kind of helping the candidate getting a higher chance of being hired.
Yan. So if you're, sending your resume and someone calls you, make sure you work with that person that you're
Mm.
talking to, no?
Oh,
Alright.
and Owen, if you're having a hard time landing a job, reach out to us.
May data
We
open.
might be able to help you
Mhm.
land a job
Data
or give you
science.
tips.
Just go to hcmnexus.com.
Yes.
Mhm.
And social medias din and
There.
website. Feel free to email.
Ooh.
There's comments.
Hi, Rebecca, who's watching from Tanza, Cavite. And then, hi, DJ Rose. Shout out to my wife, Frewelin, and Zofia. Please play Somewhere in the Middle by Dishwalla.
Nice.
And-
Good
Ganda,
one.
ganda.
Roberto Ignacio, good evening and hello DJs. Kindly play any song by Olivia Rodrigo for my crush's name. Bianca Diaz, Li Shenkuo, ang dami naman.
Ang dami.
Lorly Jane
May
Abella,
harem of
and
crushes.
Rika Anupol.
Dami na.
I also have a job
Sana
interview
all,
tomorrow
sana
for my
Isang song
upcoming
lang
job
para sa
application.
Ay, good
Wish
luck.
good luck, good luck.
Good
Good luck, good
luck.
luck, good luck. Any last words for you guys? Miss Cassie?
Siguro last tip for the yung mga job seekers, prepare ka physically and emotionally kasi
Mm.
not all the time ma-accept ka. You also have to accept rejections, and that rejection kasi is siya, parang open opportunity siya para mas mapunta ka dun sa right na path for
Very
you.
good, very good.
They say nga it's not rejection, it's redirection.
Yeah.
Yeah! DJ Ro.
Thank you. Candidate number.
Parang kanina.
Diba? What about you guys?
No, para sa akin, when you go through an interview, just be, tawag dito, comfortable. Don't be scared. Tao rin naman yung nag-interview, no? And just keep in mind that when you answer questions, make it complete. Tsaka it has to be very specific to yung nagawa mo talaga. And there's no wrong answers to that. Even if you were asked about a project that failed, wala nag-fail eh. What's more important is what you did about it.
Mm.
It's not about what the result is. Eh. Like what you did. That's yun talaga siya.
Yeah, I think, and then if you have, especially if you're a fresher, if you have an opportunity to attend market readiness seminars or workshops, attend it. Maybe partnerships with schools and corporate, marami yan.
We can do
Or
more.
yeah, definitely.
Mm.
Every now and then we would normally have tie-ups with schools on market readiness to help interns ace their interviews, likewise yung mga freshers to land a job.
All right. Thank you so much
Cool.
to
Thanks,
AOK
guys.
from
Thank
HCM Nexus
you.
and guest Cassie. This evening for next week, perhaps we're gonna go and post the poster earlier and post
Yeah.
some questions that people can have,
Correct.
so
Yes.
that
good
you can
idea.
have that in advance for the show. All right. In the meantime, that request was for somebody. Was that France? He wanted some dishwalla. So here you go,
Dishwalla.
somewhere in the middle,
Eggshell.
right here on GM 88.3.
Hey, yo.
Yay.
Awesome.
Thanks, Ro.
Thank you.
So, guys.
Guys.
Oh, ayan na.
Nag-buy na kayo? Para,
Yeah.
Bye.
Hello. Hello.
Excuse me.
Too many chairs tonight.
Yeah.